In the past few months, average of 85% of real estate inquiry are looking for a ready for occupancy house. Sa totoo lang, talagang ready for occupancy ang hinahanap ng mga client ngayon. Katunayan, meron tayong isang client na luckily naka-avail siya ng ongoing house construction dahil nga wala nang available na ready for occupancy. Kaya ang na-avail niya is yung ongoing house construction. At this month, we have a very good opportunity for you. Para ito sa Edina Homes, 2-story, 3-bedroom, 2 toilet and bath with car garage. With minimum or partial down payment or cash out na 25%, equivalent to 752K, at habang ginagawa yung bahay in 5 months ay magbabayad ka lamang ng monthly payment na 30,100 kada buwan at isang payment option din. Kung hindi nagmamadali, pwede ang no down payment. Average lang ng 73,584 kada buwan or 1 year to pay or 36,792 per month for 2 years. And ang balance payment mo, maximum of 30 years to pay sa Pag-ibig at 13,448 per month. Yan ang promotional scheme ng 3-bedroom, 2 toilet and bath with lot area of 90 square meter and floor area of 72 square meter. At kung gusto mo ng mas malaking lote, pwede mong kuhanin yung katabing lote para maging 180 na ang iyong lot area. With this payment option, kaya mo na at abot kamay mo na ang magkabahay. Ngayon na!